on to a two-part series. Here in my hometown, we have a thing that's called the fire season. Basically, all through summer, we just hope and pray that no fires get started because our mountains are just made of dry fuel. Well, sadly, a fire broke out called the line fire. Ever since I picked up a couple of Leicas, I feel a little bit different as a photographer. Somehow these Leica bodies have inspired me and motivated me to be a photographer again. Just a quick PSA though, if there is a wildfire near you, stay the hell away from it. Don't get in the firefighters' way. You don't need to be slowing them down or messing them up. But anyways, I'm gonna try to get kind of close. On top of that, a random monsoon just came into town out of nowhere. Let's see if we can get into some trouble here. With the fires going on, they may have or may have not have closed this road off. It looks like it's open.
Welcome to the darkness. I fear we'll let you.
All right, guys, this is what the Rough Out Rambler strap was made for. We got a crazy thunderstorm out that way, the fire out that way, and I have Sedona with me too, which is another thing I gotta deal with. So we're gonna take the M11, the MP, then from there we're gonna pop on Blaze Arcados. I'm gonna do the 125 millimeter Mofage Pelk over VND. Oh, fuck. Okay. All right, this isn't very smart. All right, guys, so we didn't get much over there, but now I'm on this other side. Those people here, let's see what they're saying. Oh, it's a pretty good view of the fire right here.
Family of deer running down the trail towards me.
From the fire.
Yeah, so I stopped and I turned around and they kept running towards me.
Oh, wow.
So I was like, that's a bad sign.
So my game plan right now, beautiful peak about 20, 30 minutes up that road. But the fire is like, if it jumps, look, we just got another fire warning here. That's like northwest of here, so I don't have to worry about that right now. But yeah, the peak is gorgeous. Oh, didn't see that coming. It's a trek to get over there. If that fire jumps at all from like wind or anything like that, I'm gonna go until, you know, I don't feel comfortable anymore. I kept hearing something clump around. Checked underneath there, nothing wrong. And I went up here, my winch came disengaged, so. Should probably just keep this thing up just in case we didn't pull anybody out today. So guys, this is what it is about Leicas. I would have not just come out here just to try to get some photos. We're almost there though. I'm rushing because I'm just gonna spend 15 minutes and I'm gonna blast my way back down because fires move quick. That's wild. If I'm gonna try to get up there, I need to book it. So I was just speeding up. I don't really get any lightning strikes right now.
After you went up here, the lady in the Subaru went for it. And I'm like, all right, well,
from the smoke, so I figured I should get some windows up, get some AC on, and start heading back down. This segment's sponsored by Audio.com. They have this AI tool to where basically you could put any of your favorite songs for Spotify and it will find all the similar tracks in the library. I use songs from some of my favorite movies like Interstellar and The Batman. So all the songs you're hearing are similar sounding tracks. I'll be sure to leave a link and a discount code down in the description below if you want to try it out yourself.